Alright guys, I know changing out cabin air filters can be pesky sometimes, but on this Audi this is not that bad. It's a 2021 to 2024 Audi Q5 cabin air filter CAF15012. This is an STP. So first thing I'm going to do, kneel down in the floor here, look up. There's a cover that's got to come out of here. These typically, you can normally just, see, you could pop this like down out of the way like that, and you see right above it right here, there's this white cover looking thing, and there's 4 tabs. You can pull, actually just pull on the corner of the tab, and it pops down like so. Over here, this one's a little bare in the corner to get to, but it's here. You can jam your thumb up the side. It's right around the corner. It's kind of hard to, there it is. See this little tab right here? You can pull this out. A lot of people pull the foam piece off the bottom of it. You don't need to do that. You see how this is coming out of here like a half moon shape? That's exactly how it's going to go back in there too. And you can see the new one, you have directional arrows on the side. They go towards you when they go back in there. And then you just kind of funnel this thing back in the slot where it goes. And that's basically how it is. That's how it goes in there. Like so. And then you'll take your cover, now you kind of finesse it as you're pushing it around. Then you can take your little foam piece, stick it back up here on the other side of these little plastic tabs. This little push clip actually popped out from back here. I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to put it back in. There it goes. It just slides right in there. You could take those out if you want. There's no reason to really do that. There you go. That's it. Cabin air filter in just a few minutes.